welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up some toys. Like we have another Jiggly Doos, which is a shark and a pink cat, which I like. And then we have this Hatchimals. I dropped it on the table. And we have, what is this called? A Little's Pet Shop. I wonder which one I got, but it doesn't tell you which one you got. And I also have a Marvel Tsum Tsum pack, which is the Guardians of the Galaxy. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So first I'm going to be telling you their names, and then I'm going to be opening up. So this one is Rodin right here. This one is Nebula. This one is Thanos. This one is Star-Lord right here. This one is Gamora. This is Drax. And this is Rocket and Groot. So this one's Rocket and this one's Groot. And then there's also a mystery pack. So yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, this is hard to open. Grab the scissors out of nowhere.
2 hours later.
So guys, I finally got it open, so I'm just gonna rip the top off. Like, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like, nope, I need to pull even more. Oh my god. So yeah, I told you the name, so I have this one, which is Rodin. And I have Gamora, which I just dropped. Yeah, you can stack these. And then I have this guy, I forgot his name. Oh wait, Rax. Wait, yeah, Rax. Where's it? No, it's Rax. I forgot what I said from the beginning. So yeah. This one is named Star-Lord. And stack this on top of Drax. And I also got Nebula. I almost said it wrong. So yeah, I'm going to put her there. And then I have Groot. I am Groot. Yeah, this guy is my favorite one in the movie. And then I have these two tinies. So Nebula is bigger than Rocket, or they're both the same size. Yeah, I'm just going to leave them. So now I'm going to put them to the side, and now I'm going to put, oh, Thanos. Forgot about you. And the mystery character. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm just going to show you them again. So, this one's Rocket. He's a little raccoon. This one is Thanos. He wants to get all the jewels in the world, so he can rule every single world. This one is Groot. Oh my god. Yeah, this one's Groot. He has a little vine. He's my favorite. And we also have, Rodin. I was trying to remember his name. So yeah, this is him. They literally painted him blue in the movie, and then they did all of this. And yeah. And then, did I show you guys Nebula? Nebula is a robot. So yeah, these are the three minis that I showed. I'm going to put these guys to the side. This one is Star-Lord with his mask on. Put me to the side. This one is Gamora. Right here. I like her hair, because my favorite color is pink and purple. And then I also got Drax. He's a green monster. I don't know why he's a green monster, but they made him a green monster. And now onto the mystery characters. Oh, it's a big. What is it? Don't tell me it's Yondu. Oh, it's not Yondu. This guy is named Nova. He's a super cool. But he is cool, like I said, he's super cool because he's literally shooting out a laser. Like, that's a laser. That's cool. But I didn't get Yondu. And yeah, on to the next one. So the next one, I'm going to be opening up a Hatchimal. I really love Hatchimals. I had one of these before, but then I don't know where they went. So yeah, this is a Hatchimals Christmas themed egg. This time it's a snowflake. But I know what to do because I opened up one of these. So what you have to do is you have to rub this until it turns old pink. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I have warm hands. Oh, it's turning pink. This takes a while to rub. I'm going to try and crack it open now. Oh! Oh, I got a little hippo! Wait, is that a hippo? It's a reindeer hippo! Right there. Oh, there's a little line. This is spilling everywhere. So yeah, I got a little baby hippo. She is right here. That's her. She's a reindeer hippo with golden wings. Fly away. And yeah, I'm going to put all of this to the side because it's dirty. Oh yeah, I'm going to put her in her little nest. So yeah, this is her holding a candy cane. She actually looks very cute. And now I'm going to be opening a Little's Pet Shop. So the way you have to open this is just like you pull it from the back. Even though it says 1, 2, it has something inside. And then this is the pets. First I'm going to cut open these. I don't know what they are, so yeah. Oh, it's a bone. And an S. So I got a bone with a heart, and then I got an S. Yeah, so I don't know what that is. So this is the S right there. And then this is the heart bone right there. So yeah, I'm going to see what the pet looks like. And then it's basically going to be a surprise. I fell in the garbage. Oh. My head's like, well, not my head so much. My headband came off. Yeah. So I'm going to be opening it up right now. Oh. It's a baby doggy. Oh, it's a baby dog. Oh, so that with the S is, this belongs to this, and then this belongs to the big one inside. See what the big one looks like. Oh, there's no big one, just a tiny. Oh yeah, because it's littles. What the heck is that? It's not coming out. Yep. The struggles, people. The struggles. Now I'm going to put this to the side so it doesn't get in my way. Oh, wait. Do we put this through this? And then we put the bone on here. So basically the dog's supposed to go inside, and then the bone goes inside with it. And then we're supposed to put the lid on. And yeah, it's like a little doghouse, and you can hang it on your backpack or on a purse. So yeah, let's shift that to the side. That was a fail. So now we're going to open up my favorite thing. My Jiggly Doos. And yeah, I'm prying it open. Oh my god, the shark just literally fell. These are so soft. Squishy. Oh my god. I wish you guys can feel this right now. This is so soft. And so squishy.
And so squishy.
To the shark. Baby shark, do do do. Why did I even sing that song? So yeah, that was the shark. Now on to the cat. And this is the pink cat just showing like dun. And then you just see the shark like dun 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 dun, and then the cat's like yeah. So these are the two that I got. Yeah. I wanted to put it that way, but it was this way. And yeah, they're very soft and squishy. This one looks like a marshmallow because it's white. And then this one looks like a weird gummy shark because, yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.